Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and I'm back again with another transcription announcement. Now this isn't one of my products, it was just one that I was involved in the creation of, so I'm not trying to get money out of you or anything. I just thought this one might be something that you were interested in, because ultimately it was a project that I was extremely interested in and something that I really wanted to do. So if I'm interested in it, you probably will be too. And that album is Monuments, the Phronesis, I'm not sure how you're pronouncing that, let's go with Phronesis. The latest album from Monuments. So it's 10 tracks of super high quality modern progressive metal, gent, whatever you want to call it, just some very cool guitar playing, and it has been transcribed in unparalleled levels of detail. When John originally approached me and asked if I would be up for transcribing the album and see if we could work out some sort of arrangement to get that done, I really bent over backwards to make sure it did happen, because as I say, it was a project that I was extremely interested in, and I wanted to try and get into the inside of his head and learn what was going on with his and Ollie's writing approach. So I insisted that he provided me with stems for the album, so I had complete isolated stems for each and every guitar part, which meant that I was able to transcribe every single guitar part, not just the main riffs, but all of the overdubs, all of the clean guitar parts, everything is there. And of course it also gave me access to both John and Ollie on Skype, so I could go through the transcriptions with them when everything was done and make sure that every single note was absolutely where they would have played it. And we got some fun levels of detail in there in the hours that it took to do all of that. We added things like in the watch, there is a moment where it's not a pick scrape, it's not done with a pick, it's actually done with knives and forks, and they wanted that level of detail in there, so we added it. So yeah, what can you find on here? Well, you've been able to hear some of it in the background. Not the best sound, of course, because that's Guitar Pro MIDI, but the Guitar Pro RSE. There's some great songs on here. I just want to point out that there are a couple of 6-string songs on here, so both Vanta and The Watch are played on 6-string guitars. They are in John Brown's kind of dad-gad tuning, but in different keys. They're both in different keys. A lot of songs are 7-string songs, so I'm just looking at them now. You've got AWOL is a 7-string song, Mirror Image 7-string, Stygian Blue is a 7-string song, Leviathan and Celeste are 7-string songs, and that's in the Monuments tuning, the B-flat dad-gad variant, which is B-flat, B-flat F, B-flat, E-flat, F, B-flat, E-flat. Yeah, see, I've remembered this stuff. And there are 3 8-string songs on there, which would be Hollow King, Ivory and Jukai, and they are in the same as the 7-string but with a low F, so F, B-flat, F, B-flat, E-flat, F, B-flat, E-flat. Ooh, I hope I got that right. So yeah, if you're really interested in 7-string or 8-string playing, this is a cool one to check out, and there's some killer licks, phrases and ideas in there. But don't take my word for it. I'm going to cut in some clips now taken from the album, taken from my transcriptions. You can get it in the link below, and yeah, you get Guitar Pro downloads and a full PDF transcription book. Check it out, super cool, absolutely love Monuments, love the guys in Monuments, do check out all of their stuff. And yeah, hopefully we'll have those guys on the channel soon to talk more about some of their upcoming projects. Anyway, let's check it out.